the companies most of our clients that we work with, they're large, like they're tech companies, mostly cybersecurity, but they're startups, so they don't have any of that global reach, right? And now that lead generation forms, you can remarket opens. In particular, I'm actually finding lead generation forms being much better. I know that the cooking, obviously, the being able to do cross-platform, that is a huge advantage of bringing them to your website, to owning that. Also, in other smalls, you get to add more information, but I think sometimes adding more information on the landing page, just like on the landing page, you try to remove the header and everything, so to focus for them to fill out the form. I actually think that's one of the advantages of the form, is that you're more likely to fill it out, one, because it's automatically filled out and it's accurate. There's no mistakes. They're not going to mislead you. They're not just going to try to get the white paper and not leave their information. But also, it's so easy. You don't get distracted because you got a description and a headline in the description. So I think there's a lot of great value there.
Yeah, the minimum audience sizes are tough to work with. It's like if you're going to retarget on LinkedIn or Google, you've got to get over that minimum threshold of 300 people to your landing page.
Oh, don't get me started.
Yeah,
Which is why you can't. Which is why you like we do remarketing on like the website, and for bigger companies, by bigger I mean bigger in traffic, on the blogs and the resources page.
Yeah.
If absolutely. We try to go for a because that's they're more interest. If we try to go more narrow than that, we have a couple of clients that are exceptions. I mean, you're just not going to hit that 300 minimum that's associated with a LinkedIn profile, which is like what, like a thousand hits is like maybe 300. Right. I don't know if I'm being generous or not. I don't even know. I know for email, for contact matches.